In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho Books with ease and efficiency. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to this accounting software, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the most out of this feature. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate over to Zoho Books. Simply type in the URL or search for Zoho Books using your search engine. Once the web page loads, you'll see the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new to Zoho Books, you'll need to go through a quick, straightforward sign-up process to set up your account. Once you're logged into Zoho Books, look at the main menu on the left side of the screen. Here you will see various options, one of which is Sales. Click on Sales and you'll find a drop-down menu with multiple actions. From this menu, you'll want to click on Quotes. This section is specifically designed to manage all your quotes, offering you a clear overview and quick access to existing ones, as well as the option to create new ones. Now it's time to create a new quote, which is where the magic happens. Look for the button labeled Create New Quote and click on it. This action will open up a form where you'll need to input various details about the quote you wish to create. It's important to fill out all the necessary fields accurately to ensure everything aligns with your business's needs and the client's expectations. In the quote form, you'll typically be required to enter details such as the customer's name, contact information, the items or services you're quoting, quantities, prices, and any other terms that are applicable. This is a good time to double-check your input to make sure all figures and details are correct, avoiding any potential misunderstandings or errors. Once you've completed entering all the necessary information, take a moment to review everything carefully. This final check allows you to reassure yourself of the accuracy and professionalism of the quote you are about to issue. With everything in place, you're now ready to finalize the process. Click the Save button, and just like that, your quote is created and ready to be sent to your client or saved in your system for future reference. And that's it. You've successfully created a quote in Zoho Books. It's a simple process, but one that's critical for maintaining organized and efficient sales documentation. Remember, whether you're managing numerous quotes or just one, the clarity and accuracy of the information you enter can make all the difference for your business operations. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helps you master your sales tasks in Zoho Books.